Breaking news. A defamation case is loading. Guys, it's not what I said. It is what Dudzile Zuma, the child of the former president Jacob Zuma, has said. Now, let me give you context. The context is there is a man, to those who don't know, there is a man called Jabulani Khumalo. Jabulani Khumalo decided, unprovoked, that he's going to go to Electoral Court. Now, he gets there, and this is some of the things that he said. He said, Dudzile Zuma Sambundla forged his signature and removed him illegally. Yena, he doesn't know that. It did not take long. I was happy how advocate Limbo argued that case. Yeah. It was like, wow. He brought the concept of two letters that he signed, and it was like, he just simplified it. And I was there, I was like, you see, Jabulani, if you can win this one, my man. You see, this is the case that I knew deep down in my heart that based on the arguments, I knew that Jabulani Khumalo doesn't stand a chance of winning this one. Number two, the issue of a forgery. If you listen to Advocate Dalimpo arguing that, I know he argued that. Yo, guys, give the man his props. Give the man credit. He argued that the issue of a forgery, he proved it in a very short space of time. So, okay, fine. Fast forward. Dudzile Zuma, Sambundla, has officially said that, be aware, a defamation case is loading. Now, this has been said after the court judgment or after the Electoral Court gave us a judgment on this one. To those that don't know, the judgment said, okay, in fact, let me read the judgment, but some of the things that the judgment said is that you are wasting the court's time and the court's resources. And also, you listen. I'm not joking, guys. The court says you are wasting the resources of the applicants, the IEC, the Zuma, Dudzile Zuma, the lawyers. You are liable to pay all of those costs. That's what the court said. The court said, you are the problem here. Please, we don't want to waste the resources of the court and time. That's exactly what the court says. So, the court viewed this case as a case that shouldn't have been brought to court. Now you see the magnitude of that. But in the perception that the court has about the issue of Jabulani Khumalo, he has landed himself into trouble. Well, in this channel, I know we have not landed ourselves into trouble. Why? Because of this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Yes, again. So I wouldn't lie, we are just reading between the line, because she posted this at 13:52, 12 June 2024, just after or when the court has released its judgment. She then said defamation case. And we know that if you put 1 + 1 together, then you will know, the person with the defamation, a person who has wronged that, whom we know, is none other than the man himself. He owns MK Party, Jabulani Khumalo. MK Party. But not. Awusimele kancane wena. Uthi wena on MK party lalelani kasidlule lapho. So to those, let me just give you this one. It says that in the matter between Jabulani Khumalo, the applicant, and Electoral Court of South Africa, first responded to Chief Electoral Officer, second responded Umkhonto is a party, a political party, third responded Jacob Gedlehlekisa Zuma, fourth responded, right? Then they wrote the following. Then they gave us the names of the citation and everything, and then they gave the name of the judges and say delivered. This judgment was handed down electronically by circulation to the parties, and they just went through that. Now, what's the judgment? Let's go through this judgment. You will see something. Part of the things that the court says, ordinarily, to encourage parties to exercise their political right, this court does not grant cost orders. Does not grant cost orders. However, listen. However, Mr. Khumalo's conduct warranty a departure from this practice. And you see what I'm saying? They are saying, when you wasted our time, you wasted our resources, you wasted the respondent. Usually, we dismiss cases or people win cases without cost. But we need to make such an example. Washa, you must pay all the legal cost. Yeah. These people were very angry. So now you know that I wasn't joking when they say how the court viewed that case. They were like, Jabulani, you're wasting our time. Jabulani, Mr. Jabulani. Do you remember former President Jacob Zuma echoed, Mr. Male, not my, Mr. My man, Mr. My. Okay, asiqhubeke. Former President Jacob Zuma uzangishaya. Thona mfana. Ya plan sizwa. Ekhuluma kanje nga. Athi ngiyaxolisa nqamalala. It is a tried that in awarding cost, the court has discretion to be exercised judicially upon consideration of the fact in each case. The exercise of a discretion is a matter of fairness to all parties. When exercising its discretion in respect of cost, the court consider circumstances of each case, carefully weighing the issue, the conduct of the parties, and any other circumstances that may have been bearing on the cost, and make an order that is fair between the parties. The applicant is frivolous and completely devoid of merit, bringing jurisdiction to this point in the words I can't see. So, but then you see that you just brought a case that does not have any merit whatsoever. You just decided to waste our time. You see what I say? You are wasting court's time. Now listen to this one again. I like, let me paraphrase this one, because the other one, I can't read it. It's like what we are getting is a copy of a copy. That's why the words are not clear. But I'm trying to do my best to summarize whatever I say. It says, but more seriously, the respondent has demonstrated that the respondents have demonstrated that Mr. Khumalo prejudged himself in his affidavit. He alleges that Ms. Zuma Sambundla is not part of the MK party leadership. Yet on the 24th of February 2024, he advised the commission by way of a letter that MK party has appointed the ILC citing Ms. Sambundla as one of its members. He denied that Mr. Zuma is the president of the MK party. Yet he made that assertion in a media statement to which the respondent referred this court. In this in his founding affidavit, he states that Mr. Zuma is not a member of MK party. Yet, attached letter to the same affidavit suspending Mr. Zuma. Suspending Mr. Zuma from pending disciplinary processes. How do you suspend So, I think, guys, you can see where the court is coming from to say, we are Hlanya as well. You can't say he's not a party president, but you are suspending. Who are you suspending then? Like, that is exactly how this thing. That is exactly how this thing reads, guys. It says, although it was contended on his behalf that he always referred to Mr. Zuma as president because he is a former president of South Africa, it is clear from the media statement referred above that he referred to him as the president, obviously, of the party. So now, if you look, if you listen, if you read this right contextually, you will notice that this very same court cited what Khumalo said about Dudzile Zuma, right? Right there, you can see that. I'm sure after reading that, they were like, the court also believed that nje, you have wronged Dudzile Zuma. So then, it is after reading this that you can see. I hope you can see that I arrived at a good conclusion to say the defamation case is for this man, Jabulani Khumalo. I stand under correction, but I can tell you this: the defamation case is for this person called Jabulani Khumalo. I believe that when when Dudzile Zuma said the defamation case is loading, she meant this man. Now, given the context that I've already given to you right now, having read all the things that I've read to you, who do you think the defamation case is for here? Tell me, who's going to be opened for the who do you think Dudzile Zuma is going to open a defamation case for? I'm interested to hear that in the comment section below. I'm, yeah, yes, guys, let's stop laughing. What the God says, hey, Baba. Oh, you are wasting our time. Please, please. Our time is so precious that it can't be wasted by you. Please do something else, but you can't be wasting our time. And I'm like, hey.